This is a London Transport 1938 stock, the preserved train, and we're in the Acton London Transport Museum, and this is where it's held, and it does actually go on the line occasionally. The other year, or earlier this year, it was vandalised with spray paint, but they got it off all right. I inquired about the paintwork, and it's actually 2-pack, so it's pretty tough. It's not the original type paint, and it's obviously done with a spray gun and not by hand, as preserved trains often are these days. Now, some of them were made by, because they always put it on the step as you go in. This was Metro-Cammell of Metro-Cammell. There you go. Carriage and Wagons Work Company. But further down is one made by a different company. So probably not a complete set as originally made. What's that one? Still Metro-Cammell. There's a lot of people coming up now. Need to get away from it a bit to see it. Might have to wait here a second while these people pass. Keep going a little bit. Still Metro-Cammell. That was nearly clear when I first started. People are turning up again now. Anyway, got to do what I got to do. I can have a look inside. Ooh. Fell over. Yeah, I wish they'd make seats like that today in the modern trains. Much more comfortable and prettier. Get around for people.
17p.
Get out of it now. Properly. We're in the end of it. I'm sure this carriage is different. No, it's not. Yeah. Well, there's one made by the Birmingham Carriage and Wagon Company as well. Let's go around the end. Have a good look at the end view. Where are we? Get as far away from it as possible. Now, it's got Metropolitan on it. I don't know why, because it's never used on the Metropolitan I'm aware of. I think they just run it on the Metropolitan because it's rural. Where I come from, on the Metropolitan area. Right at the end of the line. Right. Go up this side a bit. Might be able to go inside. Oops, sorry. Right. Yeah. Trouble doing this. Alright, have a little look inside. Oh, there'll be a lot of other people in there. There's a queue. I'll do a separate little video of that bit, I think. Right, there's a quick turn round of the inside of this carriage.
That's why the train is so smart. It's the Goldsmiths Freshers Fair today, and they've just locked out the underneath. And they just messaged said it's still registered in your name. So yeah, it's still on my phone. Now I can't. Oh bless it, that's a nightmare. I love looking at the old advert.
Put this seat down out. And the woodwork. Simple but very attractive. And wooden windows. Apparently that's where you put your coffee cups.
So I have bad things. They're not springy as they not quite big.
Oh.
Those, yeah, they're not, are they?
I'm thinking there must be
The hand.
You know, I've actually
A company who are based in my town,
Such a work in progress. You see the guys.